Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today in this video, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Store bound download apps or games. So let's jump in. So the first thing first, you can go and just check the first storage, whether you have the proper storage and also just type, you can just storage. You can see your storage settings. Yeah. And guys, you can see in my case, I have a proper space. You can see the 378 GB free. So at least guys, you have a 100 GB free so that you can install any apps or games through Microsoft Store. So this is the first step. If you have the proper space, then you can go download any apps or games. And and the second fix is guys just again go to the settings, type settings, and the settings go to systems, and the systems just try to find system components. Just hit on that. Others try to find Microsoft Store. You can see over here. Just click on the three horizontal dots. Yeah, you can just advanced options. And guys, from here, just try to find you can just go and just terminate. Just go to terminate. And after that, after terminate, just go and click on the repair. And after that, reset, guys. So this way, you can fix your Microsoft Store. I think you will be able to download any apps, yeah, games through Microsoft Store. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.